Welcome to CommonManTrading, where we turn ideas into income, powered by AI automations. New videos every week. Subscribe now.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how you can automate your TradingView alerts. You can get your TradingView alerts straight on your Telegram by using this workflow. You just have to look out your Telegram whenever an alert is triggered on TradingView. You are going to receive the alerts on your Telegram, the asset name, the stock name, and the current price, and the alert which is related to crossover buy, crossover sell, and the timestamp also you are going to get when this alert is triggered. Based on this, you can go back, look at your charts, and see whether the alert which you have received is in line with your analysis. If it is in line with your analysis, you can go ahead and act upon your alert, whether you wanted to buy, whether you wanted to sell, based on the alert type. So today we will be seeing how to automate TradingView alerts using N8N, where you get those alerts straight away onto your Telegram. Okay, so before that, I wanted to come back to our channel, and I have created here two playlists. One is AI automation made simple, and one is AI automation for smart trading. In smart trading playlist, you will be seeing all the videos related to stock market and trading with the help of AI. How can we level up our stock market journey? And in the other playlist, AI automation made simple, where you will be seeing automations related to everyday tasks, related to content, related to productivity. We will be seeing many other things in general, how we can best utilize AI to automate things under this playlist. I will be covering up many things here. Along with the other playlist under trading, I will be covering up many things related to trading using AI, how you can level up your stock market journey. Please watch these two playlists. You will be getting regular videos every week under this playlist, at least one video under each of these playlists. Okay, every week you are going to get those videos. Now coming back to this, so how we can automate the TradingView alerts. So let me go ahead and create that one for you, step by step, note by note, so that you can follow along with me and you can create your own workflow on N8N. And before that, you just have to log in into N8N. You will get a 14 days free trial version, and you will be having 1000 executions under the free trial version. Here I am also using a free trial version to show you that you can create this workflow in free trial version as well. So I have 10 days left here. Still I have 68 executions I have done, and there are remaining almost 900 plus executions are remaining for me. Okay, so let's see. When you log in, you will be launching onto this dashboard. Here you have to click on create workflow. Once you click on create workflow, you will be seeing a dashboard similar to like this. You can drag and drop this anywhere. So you just click on this plus icon, and here you search for webhook. Okay, click on webhook, and here you see test URL and production URL. We will see about these URLs at the end, what is the importance of test URL and what is the importance of production URL. Okay, and here the HTTP method you have to select post, and here you can give the path as TV-alert, and here respond you can give it as when last node finishes. Here it will be first entry JSON. Here you can add as response code 200, because 200 is nothing but request has succeeded. Okay, when the request is succeeded, then this workflow will be getting executed. Okay, let me pull this here. And the next node, what you have to add is you have to add a code node, where you have to add a JavaScript code node here. So what we will be doing in this JavaScript code node is you are going to select run once all items, and here it will be JavaScript. Okay, and here in the code you will be using this expression. Okay, I am going to give you the complete step-by-step workflow in the document. I will be attaching that document under this video. You can refer to that document and you can copy paste this expression when you are creating your workflow. Okay, let me expand this expression, and you see here nothing, we are capturing symbol name, stock name, we are capturing the price, latest price, and here we are capturing the alert name, whether it is a sell alert, buy alert, and we are capturing the time, and that we are sending it to the next node. Okay, and I will go back here, and next you have to add another node here. Okay, which is an HTTP request node. Okay, in this HTTP request node, here method should be post, and URL, you can copy paste this URL. Okay, I am going to share you this URL with you. Okay, and here the URL is nothing but HTTP API Telegram bot, and you have to give your bot token here followed by send message. Okay, and authentication is none, and you can give this send body. Okay, here body type is JSON, and you can using JSON. Okay, and here you can give the JSON body. I am giving the JSON body here. Okay, so here you have to mention your chat ID. How you can get your chat ID? I have mentioned this URL in the document as well, which I am going to provide you. In case if you are unable to find your chat ID, you can find chat ID here in the user info bot. Okay, you can just @user info bot. When you type this, okay, here you will get your chat ID. Okay, if you click on start chat, you will get your chat ID. You can copy the chat ID and you can paste it here in this expression, your chat ID. And here this json.text.plain, which we are getting from the previous node. Okay, and now what else we have to configure here? Okay, we can configure the timeout. Okay, here timeout we can give like 60,000. Okay, 60,000 milliseconds. That's it. And in settings, there is nothing to change in settings. You can go back, and next you have to add a build webhook response. Okay, so here again you have to add a code node, and again here JavaScript, and here in this node we are going to use the JavaScript, and you will be copy pasting the same here. Okay, go back, and again you have to pass this to the response.webhook. Okay, here you type the webhook, respond to webhook, here first incoming item. That's it. So now we can rename this, so it is webhook, which will get details from TradingView. So we can give it as a TradingView. We can rename this. So this code, this node is going to parse your alerts which are coming from this webhook. Sorry, we have renamed this itself. Okay, so this is webhook TradingView, and this we will rename it as parse alert, and this we will rename it as HTTP, which is Telegram send message. Okay, so this we can rename it as build webhook response. Okay, so now we have created this workflow. So what is the next step? The next step is you have to create alerts on your TradingView. For you to create alerts on TradingView, you should already have an indicator, something which is created. So I have an indicator which is created for me, which is a 10-20 crossover strategy. Okay, so here I am creating this alert, okay, on my watch list. Here I have Bank Nifty and banks watch list. Here on this watch list I am creating this alert, and the alert is crossover buy, and in the message you have to give something similar to this. Okay, let me copy that for you and paste it here. So I will be giving this complete documentation for you, so you can copy this and paste it here. Okay, here in the alert message you can give crossover buy. Okay, then in notifications here you have to select the webhook. Here you have to give the webhook URL. Here for now I will be giving this test URL. I have copied this test URL. I'm coming here, I paste here. If you see webhook -test, I'm giving the test URL. I'm creating this alert. Okay, similarly I will create another alert for the same, okay, on crossover sell. I come here in the message, again I paste this. Okay, here in I will give crossover sell. Now here already we have the test URL which we are getting it from this webhook. Okay, so I will create this. So before that let me see. Yeah, so I have selected here interval as 1 minute so that I can show you the alerts which are coming. Okay, if you see here on our Telegram, the last alert is AU Bank. Okay, now I am running this trigger. Let me run this workflow. Okay, now this webhook is waiting for the alerts that are going to get triggered. If you see here, these alerts are active here. It is going to wait for the alerts from this watch list. Okay, web node not correctly configured. Respond parameter, use respond web node. So let me check what error we have did. So set the respond parameter to using respond to webhook node. When last node finishes. Okay, here I've selected post. It is correct. Respond to webhook node. Here first incoming item. Okay, let me ask here AI assistant what wrong we have did here. Set it to immediately and we'll execute this workflow now. Now it is waiting for the trigger. Let's see if it is going to execute this time. Webhook node not correctly configured. Okay, let me execute one more time. Now let's wait for the alerts to be triggered here. Still it is waiting for the alert to get triggered. Yeah, now it is getting executed, and let's see on our Telegram. You see, I got the recent alerts: free cement, price 320, and crossover buy. Let's go to Free Cement and see whether we have got that alert here. Yeah, if you see here we got long buy. So for that reason, this workflow got executed and we have received alert here. Okay, when you give the test URL, every time you have to execute your workflow and you have to wait for the alert which is coming. Now again one more alert have triggered and it is executed. Let's see, we got BTC USDT. You can automate this on any asset, irrespective of Bitcoin, irrespective of currency, irrespective of stock, irrespective of index. You can configure this. Okay, here the only mistake that we have did is we have selected when last node finishes, but we have to select respond to webhook node. Here when this node got executed, you see this is the alert body which is coming from the webhook URL from the TradingView, and from here it is passing here. Okay, and here if you see, it is going to pass and it is going to give this, and from here this HTTP node is going to send us alerts like this: BTC, price, alert name, and timestamp. Okay, so now let's see the production URL importance. So now I'm copying this production URL. Okay, I go here into alerts. Okay, I edit this alert in webhook URL. I am going to give this production URL. I click on save. I will also edit this. Go here, I'll give the production URL. Now I click on save. What I have to do is I have to enable this workflow. I just have to enable this workflow. If I enable this workflow, no need to trigger anything. Okay, automatically I will be getting alerts on my Telegram. If you see, after BTC USD, I got Bandhan Bank here. No need to execute this workflow. The workflow will be running at the back end. If you see, we got now silver alert as well. Okay, earlier we got Bandhan Bank, we got silver. Let me stay here for one more minute. You see, without me executing this workflow, you are getting triggers on your Telegram bot. Hope everybody knows how to create the bot on Telegram. Okay, for that you can watch my previous videos. You will see how you can create your Telegram bot and how you can access your bot token. So if you see here, this is my bot token. Okay, and this is my bot TradingView alerts automation. So this is my bot token. So this is where I create my bots using the bot folder. And here you see Bandhan Bank silver, we have received alerts, and we'll see for 30 more seconds if we are receiving any more alerts. Okay, if any crossover happens, if we get any buy trigger, sell trigger, we are going to get those alerts straight away here onto this Telegram. If you see here, there are 70 executions completed. If we see 71 here, then we will see a message on the Telegram. Okay, Let's see, still I am not seeing any alerts on Telegram. When we receive any alerts on Telegram, this execution count will get increased. See here, now it is 71. From 70 it is now 71. We'll go on to Telegram. If you see here, we got alert on Infi, which is a crossover sell, and the price is this and the time frame is this. And if you go here, it is now 72. And I got another alert here, which is Nifty. If you see here, this is a combination of index, combination of stocks, combination of commodities, and combination of currencies. We can get alerts on any symbol, irrespective of whether it is a stock, whether it is an index, whether it is a commodity. You will be seeing alerts on everything. Here we got Sensex, here we got TCS. Okay, so this is how you can configure your TradingView alerts onto the Telegram. If you have any doubts, you can comment on this video. I will be happy to help you, and I will be attaching the complete step-by-step guide under this video, where you can follow that guide, and accordingly you can configure your workflow on N8N free trial version, and you can see whether this is working for you, whether this is important for you. Based on that, you can go ahead and purchase your subscription for N8N. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video.